What's up, guys? Today we're in the airport. We're just going to look for some more food. I just want to eat some pizza. Dad wants to eat noodles, but we already ate one. What's that noise? Oh well. Let's just go. I'm gonna turn the camera. Look, Dada. Dad, say hi. Mama, say hi. We're going to find some food. All right, let's go. I'm gonna face me. Okay. Yeah. You want to see the flowers? Did you see my face red? And it's red there as well. Run. Let's go and get some food. I feel like eating pizza. I feel like eating noodles, but we already ate some. My family is first time going to Vietnam and Korea, and also me. I hope I don't say I'm tired of walking because I don't have my stroller right now. I'm gonna get it later when we're in Korea. That's where our luggage is and the stroller is for me. Let's keep on walking. We're gonna take our second airplane. We're gonna fly another airplane to get to Korea because we're going to Korea first and then Vietnam later after Korea. And how many days we are staying in Korea? Okay, so we're staying in 5 days to Korea. And how many? Korean. And Mama, how long are we staying to Vietnam? Huh? 5 days as well? Oh my God. Alright, let's keep on walking. Enough with that talking.
I don't want to eat in the plane.
What's up, guys? We are eating now, and
What are we eating?
we're eating noodles.
Pho.
Pho.
It's called pho.
Look what I'm watching. Look what I'm eating. And Dada and Mama's eating the same. I know how to use chopsticks now.
Munch. Let's munch. Okay.
Very yummy. You should try this next time. Very good.
In 3 hours we can start walking.
And you know
there.
that.
And downstairs maybe.
This is my dream chopsticks. This is so yummy. Dad is eating the same. Mama is eating the
My
same.
nose leaking because of the chili. But it's young.
Yeah. And I'm just gonna eat, keep on eating, and then I'll sleep. I'll end the video now. Bye.
So, we arrived at South Korea after 21 hours, including layover at Ho Chi Minh. Yan, mahilig. Mahilig kasi, di ba? Gusto mag-travel, di ba? Yan. Pagod. Puyat. Hello, Ki.
Hello.
Are you tired traveling? Oh, that's good.
And also,
Look.
I'm playing in my tablet.
Ayan, ang beautiful. Ang ganda rito.
Oh!
Foggy morning.
Oh!
Dito sa Seoul. And this boy, where are you? The horse playing. What are you playing?
Fake Pokemon game.
Fake Pokemon.
Fake Pokemon.
Okay, so we're on the way to our hotel. And maaga pa. Actually, it's only 8:44 a.m.
I also got a lot of rare Pokemons.
At ang check-in ay 2 p.m. 2 yata o 3. Ewan na nang gagawin namin while waiting for the check-in time. So, tingnan natin. Tingnan mo naman, girl. Ngarag. Ngarag ka. Ngarag ka. Kahapon, umalis kami ng Sydney ng bahay ng 7 a.m. Yan. At ngayon, 8:44 a.m. dito sa Korea. That means 10:44 a.m. na sa Sydney. Ngayon pa lang kami nakadating.
Today we are here and we just go somewhere. I just fly the airplane. I'm on a holiday now. Right, let's go explore. Oh my God. What is that? Oh my God. Alright, let's go explore. Let's go. Keep on going. Alright. Oh, look at that guy motorbiking. That is so unsafe. Now what should we do? We're gonna eat somewhere and then we're going to go back. Oh my God. I gotta show them this. I go closer so they can see it. Oops. And look at that. You see? K-pop new hunters. Yeah.
K-pop.
Yeah. Let's go. Keep on going. Oh my God. Genius pet. Both have pets. Alright. Let's go. Keep on going. I'm gonna. Oh my God! Look at that.
That's the Kodak shot.
Look at this deer, guys. Let's just keep on going and find some fried chicken. Also crunchy. Let's go find some fried chicken. Someone's riding motorbike again. What's that noise? Oh my God, that guy. Oh! K-pop Unitas again! Yeah! Look at this stuff. Huh? Ah!
Good morning! It's our second day here in Seoul, South Korea. And, tada! Andun si Dada sa likod. Kian! So, we booked cacao tea. And we're on the way to Gangnam. Yes, at nakapag-breakfast na nga kami dun sa one of bakery shops. Cafe, near our hotel. At masarap siya. We had some croissants, matcha latte, Kian had some donuts. And yeah, ready na kami to explore Gangnam. Nandito nga kami sa tunnel, kaya you had croissant as well? How was it?
Good.
Very good?
Yeah.
That's good. At yeah, sana nakikita nyo ako. Nasa tunnel kami. And we are excited kung ano ang makikita natin sa Gangnam today. So, yeah guys, we'll keep you updated and I will show you more of Gangnam, what can we see from Gangnam, at Later on, may pupuntahan pa kami. I forgot the name, pero we'll show you. Okay? Ayan, so si Kian, naandilhan namin ng stroller kasi ayaw lumakad. Natuto na kami from Japan's trip. Hindi namin dinala yung stroller niya. Naku, ayaw maglakad at ako yung kumakarga sa kanya. Kaya this time, dali ng pram. Yan, easier. Ayun na yung puntahan natin yung Gangnam Style. Huy. Gangnam Style, dance move. Ano bang tawag dito? Basta yung dance move na, signature dance move ng hand move pala, hand move. Hand step. Ewan, hindi ko alam ang nito, ang tawag nila dito. Ayan siya, Oh guys, tignan nyo naman kung nasan tayo ngayon. Diba? Nandito tayo sa popular na library or the Starfield Mall. Diba? We made it here, guys. Dito yan sa Gangnam. At parang meron silang siniset up na dito. Mga Christmas decorations. Diba? Ang ganda, guys. Maganda sa photo. Ay, Diyos ko po, bakit dito ka naman sa harap, kuya? Tumigil ka pa, ha? Ayan. Nice. So nice. Papapicture nga ako kay Mahal mamaya. Diba? Okay, let's go back to see Kian and Dada. Hanggang dun pala siya. Mall to mall. It's called Starfield Mall. So, mall pala siya mismo. Okay. Let's go back up. Ay, nasan yung dalawa? And the lazy boy is there. Nakakita kami ng area na ganito. Look, ganito rin yung yung itsura ng sa K-drama. Kapag katapos nilang magtrabaho, tapos magiinuman sila. Yan, nakaupo sila sa ganyan. Di ba? Ayun. Iniisip ko saan ngayon yung may demon. Di ba? Parang yung may demon. Ang daming shops ito, may popcorn. Yung, ano ba to? K-Street Food Festival nakalagay. Meron ako nakita doon, Jinro soju. Yung nakikita kong iniinom sa K-drama. Adik? Di ba? Inumin ko nga yun mamaya. Si Mark daw, gusto niyang matry yung Terra beer. Lagi din niya nakikita sa mga yun. Sa mga K-drama series. Di ba? May mabango dito, lasa tuloy. Amoy barbecue. Pero mamayang gabi baka kami. Korean barbecue for dinner. Di ba? Mahal. It says K Street Festival. Yeah. Di ba? Gusto ko yung light na ganyan, no? Pinakahang na malalaki na bulb. Yan, gusto ko yan. Di ba? Tokboki! Matry nga yung tokboki. Okay. Pakita namin sa inyo kung ano mabibili namin, ha? Uy, kinikilig ako. Diyos ka. Yung Jinro Soju na napapanood ko. Gusto ko talagang matry ito. Hindi na ako makapaghintay. Bubuksan ko na to habang hinihintay namin yung lunch. Yung in-order namin for lunch. Tara, inom tayo.
Where's our food?
Dali, lagay ko muna itong mic dito. Buksan natin ang Jinro Soju. At si Mahal got his Terra beer. Cheers! Cheers tayo, Mahal. Cheers! Kagabi bumili ako ng ano. Uminom na ako ng soju kagabi. Ang mura, Diyos ko, it's so cheap here. Sa Australia, ang isang bote, alam nyo magkano? 16, 18, ganon. Dito, $18 per bottle. Dito, $2 lang. Diyos ko, hindi ka ba magpapakalasing? Diba? Diba? Ito, ano lang to? Sa ano kami sa street festival. So, this is like $4.50. Yes. Cheers! Cheers! Sorry. Cheers! No.
Wait, let me see this.
Kalimutan ko tuloy yung ski yan. Sige na. See? It's like a water as well. Cheers, baby!
Cheers.
Nice. Mahal. Masarap. It doesn't taste like aceton. Here. Sarap. Ay, ang sarap nito. Diyos ko po. I'm loving Korea. Anyong. Kamsahamnida.
Tastes like vodka to me.
I'm gonna
Ay, ang sarap.
put it more.
Masarap. Yung alak, mura. Mura dito ang alak kasi sa Australia, ang mahal ang alak eh. Na mahal?
Yeah.
It's cheaper here, the drinks, the alcohol. Kasi lagi ko nakita yung tteokbokki, no?
Dirty, dude.
Ano ako, kind of curious. Pero mukhang spicy, no? Yung tteokbokki. Tignan natin kung kakayanin ko. Let's see. At least matatry ko na, di ba? Si Mahal,
Thing is dirty.
he ordered... What did you order nga? Parang arroz caldo, no? Rice soup? Oh, not with rice. Pork soup. Ano yun? Noodle. Parang ramen.
Some kind of noodle soup.
Yeah.
I got new one.
What time na?
I took
12?
11:56.
Ayan. 12 o'clock. Ready na yon. Pipick upin natin.
Oh no.
Okay. Ang daming tao na dun, oh. I can hear something. Maingay. Is that a truck?
Construction.
Ayan, marami ng kumakain. Maybe later they have concert here, Mahal. So they have a stage. Baka nandito sa Songkang? Palagay nyo.
Pouring water.
Baka may dito, celebrity.
Stop.
Okay. Pakita namin sa inyo yung lunch, ha? Mamaya, inom muna ako. Cheers. Kian!
Very big.
do you have there?
I don't know.
Hey.
I don't know what's this.
That is chicken skewer.
I don't know what's the sauce.
The sweet sauce. Teriyaki. And I have this
What is
tteokbokki.
Can I try it?
Gosh, mukhang spicy to. Spicy ba to, guys?
Can I try it?
By the time makapag-answer kayo, nakain ko na, na-try ko na. Ooh!
Barbecue.
Ano to?
Big barbecue.
Parang may
Oh my god.
parang may ba yun?
How am I gonna
Seaweed.
How am I gonna eat this?
Wait.
It's a big beef.
Wait, baby. Wait, it might be too, hot.
Wait.
Paano ba ito lagay kay Kian? Wait lang. Natin. Careful. Microphone is here, okay? Careful.
Very good.
Sarap.
Mhm.
Good.
Look how long it is. I
You have to
already ate
finish
some.
that, okay?
Okay. I'll
That's your
try.
lunch.
Yeah, I know.
Enjoy, Kian.
Mm-hmm.
Hmm?
Mm-hmm.
Yummy! Okay, I'll eat my tteokbokki. Saan si Dada? Wala pa si Dada. Kinuha niya yung food niya. We'll show you guys later.
He's coming.
What he has. Oh, he's here na? Where? Oh, yan. Ayan na si Dada. Tayo natin si Dada. So, I can show you his food. Ay, this. Naririnig niyo ba yung ano? Yung Korean
Dada,
song
I
na
like my
nagpe-play?
barbecue.
Oh, andito na tayo sa Korea. North tuloy. Sa South Korea, oh my God. Mahal. How good is it?
Dada, your beer's
How good is
your
it?
beer's
You
in the other side.
hear Korean music here as well. Dada. Feeling nasa ano tayo, K-drama guys. Oh, short.
Your
short
beer's
your
in the
food,
other
Dada.
side.
So, Dada has
pork.
parang ramen to pero egg
Some
noodle.
pork noodles. I don't know. I don't
That
think it's
is-
Japanese.
No, it's not Japanese. But yeah, we'll enjoy our food, guys.
Here's your beer, Dada.
Sige, wait lang. Pakita ko sa inyo kung anong verdict natin dito sa tteokbokki na to. Tteokbokki! Ano ba yan? Diyos ko. Masyado siyang madulas.
Oh no.
Or hindi lang magaling ang aking chopstick skills. Ay, ano ba yan? Dito na nga lang tayo sa fish cake para
I need different wipes.
Wait. Ano pala siya? Manamis-namis. It's actually good. Masarap siya. Alam mo kahapon, si Kian, so kumain kami sa BHC chicken. Chicken and beer. Hindi na kami nakapag-vlog kahapon kasi super pagod sa travel. Anyways, si Kian, so, chicken nga, kami, bumili kami. Maanghang pala. Parang lahat yata dito maanghang. So, hindi siya masyadong kumain. Chips lang ang kinain niya. And then, I bought him some noodles, yung cup noodle, sa 7-Eleven. I asked the lady at the counter if it's hot. Sabi niya hindi daw. Paggawa ko sa bahay, manghang siya, girl. Manghang din. Kaya di rin niya kinain.
It's so good.
Lahat ba dito manghang? Hindi naman siguro, no?
My barbecue.
Kaya
is
lang,
so
the thing
good.
is, syempre hindi naman natin naiintindihan, no, kung anong nakasulat.
I like my barbecue.
So, medyo So, yun. Wait, mahal. Nag-picture si Dada. Sandali lang, So, yeah. Oh, yeah. This one. Yung chicken skewer niya ngayon, hindi maanghang to. So, that's good. So, with this one, masarap siya. Kaya pala, very popular siya. Masarap. Konti lang yung kanyang, spice. Pagka-hot. Mild lang, mild. Sarap. Yummy. Sige nga, Dada. Tignan mo nga yung iyong noodle. Maganda. Masarap.
Oh, it's kimchi.
I know. I've seen it already. Ano to? Tingnan natin. Parang may siya, oh. Ano ba yun? Sinabi ko kanina. Ano ba yun? Mahal, what's this na? Seaweed. Sarap nito, mahal, oh. This one?
Is it? Is that pasta? What is it?
Pasta. That looks like ramen. Yung white broth. Ano lasa? It's okay.
Yeah, it's nice.
But it's not
Not
ramen.
as good as ramen.
Okay guys, so enjoy namin ang food namin, ha.
I like the chicken more better than the sauce.
Ha?
I like the chicken more better than the sauce.
Okay, let's enjoy our dinner tuloy. Diyos ko, lunch pa lang. Okay, guys. See you later. Okay, tapos na akong kumain. Si Dada kumakain pa. Ito po yung food ko. Ewan ko, yung sauce niya masarap. Kaya lang, itong mismong para siyang glutinous rice ata to. Basta siya, slippery. Slippery siya. Apart from mahirap siyang kunin, gamit ang chopstick. Para sa akin ewan ko sa inyo, baka magaling kayo mag-chopstick. Yun. Hindi ko gusto yung texture. Hindi ko gusto yung basta. Feeling ko kasi ang in-expect ko kasi para siyang pasta. Pero hindi siya pasta Ano siya? Parang glutinous rice talaga siya. Oo, parang ganun. Yung gooey siya, pero mahirap siyang mahirap siyang chew. Yun. Chew. So, yun. Yung tatlong roll lang na may seaweed yung sinawsaw ko dun sa sauce. Yun ang kinain ko. But anyway, that's okay. Masarap yung sauce. Yung sauce masarap. Yun ang gusto. Masarap siya. Siya, may konting kick, pero not too much. So yeah, drink na lang tayo. Ito na lang. Tingnan mo naman. Ito pa lang naiinom ko, guys. Actually, meron pa pala dito. Kakabuhos ko lang. Hindi ko pa naiinom. Baka ito na yung ikakabangenge ko dito. Diba? Sige na. Titignan nila ako. Cheers. Okay. Punta kami somewhere after this. Si Kian malapit na matapos. Si Dada tapos na. Hello guys, tignan nyo naman kung nasan kami. Ayun. Where? Ayun. Ang Namsan Tower. Diba? Tama ba yan? At nandito sa likod ko ang mga love locks. Ayan, nandito kami ngayon. Ang ganda dito. Lalo na yung mga trees, pula and yellow na. Diba? Ganda. Maganda. At maraming tao. Ang tagal nang inintay namin, 1 oras. Pagsakay ng cable car, papanik dito. And bababa tayo ulit. Baka another hour. See? Ganda dito. Okay guys, we'll try to catch the other cable going down. Tignan natin kung tagal na naman ang hinintayin natin. You like it here, Dada? Maganda, na?
Too much people.
Yan, marami nga lang tao. Siyempre. Pero maganda naman kasing pasyalan eh. Tapos kita mo pa yung city, na mahal? May mga shops doon. Kailan dami tao? Babalik kami ng Myeongdong, doon na lang kami magdi-dinner. See ya! Oh, hello. We forgot to vlog the food. Na-excite kami. Kian! Masarap? Do you like it? Tingnan nyo guys, oh. Charcoal talaga ang ginamit. Ayan, konti na lang natira. Nakalimutan talaga namin mag-vlog. So, ang kinuha ko, ano to? Korean, ano yan? Yeah, Korean barbecue. So, kumuha ko ng beef brisket kanina. Tapos ito, ano naman? Boneless beef rib. Masarap. Tapos ang dami-dami pang kung ano-ano. Ayan, kung anik-anik. Masarap siya. Kian, you like it, no? Ang dami niya nakain. Favorite kasi ni Kian ng barbecue. Ayan. Mamaya pakita namin dito sa labas. Ang daming mga restaurants. Parang ano siya, sa Japan, sa Osaka. Yun, na mahal. Parang Osaka, no? Looks like Osaka outside. Yan. Kakain pa ako. Sarap! Ayan. Nakalabas pa kami. Dito sa may stream. Hello! Ang name niya ay mahirap i-pronounce, kaya naman hindi ko siya ma-pronounce. Stream. Dito. Very relaxing. Ang ganda. Guys, Myeongdong by night nga pala. Diyos ko, ang ganda-ganda. Ang saya-saya. Ang lively-lively. Ito ang gusto ko talaga. Yung mga ganyan. Ay, diba? Oh. Woohoo! Ang dami pang taong kumakain. Grabe. Oh, diba? Diyos ko po. Napakasaya naman dito sa Myeongdong naman. Oh, diba? I love Korean na talaga, oh. I love South Korea. Naks. Dito ka lang sa Myeongdong, love mo na agad. Oh, diba? Oh. Ay, naku, may basuraan pa pala dito. Wait. Huwag yan ang papakita ko. Ah, diba? Tara, lakad pa tayo. Oh, may makas doon. Naku po. Wala mo ng McDo. Oh, diba? Ang dami-daming tao. Ang dami-dami pang tao. Anong oras na, mahal?
9:40.
See? 9:40 na. Actually, kahapon lumakad na kami dito, pero iba ang kanyang ganda during the night. Diba? Ang dami pang street foods, oh. Ay, ang ganda. Diyos ko po, ang saya-saya dito.